Welcome to Drive Through Wheels. Let's discover the 6-story high tower building running on roads. Imagine driving down a quiet highway and suddenly seeing something that looks less like a vehicle and more like a futuristic building slowly moving along the road. At first glance it almost feels unreal, as if a modern glass skyscraper has somehow been placed on top of a massive truck chassis. This extraordinary concept takes the idea of a recreational vehicle far beyond anything we normally associate with RV travel. Instead of the typical compact layout, this motorhome rises vertically with multiple luxurious levels stacked above each other, transforming road travel into something closer to living inside a moving luxury tower. From the outside, the design already gives the impression of something futuristic and architectural. Smooth flowing structures wrap around each floor, creating a layered look that resembles modern curved skyscraper architecture. Large panoramic glass panels reveal glowing interiors on every level, making it easy to imagine how spacious each floor must feel inside. But the real experience begins the moment you step through the main entrance door. The first level welcomes you into a grand lobby that immediately feels more like entering a 5-star hotel than stepping into a vehicle. The floor beneath your feet is covered with polished marble tiles that reflect soft golden lighting from the walls and ceiling. The lighting design is carefully integrated into curved architectural panels that run across the interior, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. On one side, a modern reception desk sits beneath a decorative lighting feature, almost as if guests could check in before beginning their journey. Nearby, comfortable leather lounge chairs form a waiting area where passengers can relax before heading to the upper levels. Large glass panels stretch along the sides of this level, allowing natural daylight to fill the space while also giving passengers a direct view of the surrounding road and scenery. The centerpiece of this floor is a beautiful spiral staircase that curves upward through the middle of the motorhome, wrapped around a transparent glass elevator. This combination of staircase and elevator not only provides easy access to the higher levels but also creates a dramatic visual centerpiece that instantly communicates the scale of this incredible vehicle. Even though the entire structure is built on a truck platform, the interior feels stable, spacious, and calm. As you move up to the second level, the environment transitions into a luxurious living lounge designed for comfort during long journeys. This floor acts as the social heart of the motorhome. The space opens into a wide seating area with large curved sofas arranged around an elegant center table. Soft cushions and premium fabrics make the seating feel more like a designer living room than typical RV furniture. A large digital display is mounted on one wall, capable of functioning as a television, entertainment hub, and smart control panel for the entire vehicle. One of the most impressive elements of this level is the panoramic glass wall that stretches across the sides of the lounge. These massive windows provide uninterrupted views of the landscape outside. As the motorhome moves along the highway, passengers can relax on the sofas while watching forests, mountains, deserts, or city skylines slowly pass by. The lighting on this level is subtle and atmospheric, with hidden LED strips built into the ceiling and furniture edges. During the evening, the lights create a calm and relaxing mood perfect for conversation or quiet relaxation. Continuing upward to the third level brings you into a space dedicated to dining and culinary experiences. This floor functions as a fully equipped luxury restaurant designed to make every meal feel special. Elegant dining tables are placed near the windows so guests can enjoy the view while they eat. Each table is carefully arranged with stylish table settings and soft lighting that gives the room a refined restaurant ambiance. Above the dining area hang modern chandeliers that provide warm golden light throughout the space. Toward the back of the room sits a sleek bar counter where drinks and refreshments can be served throughout the day. Behind the bar, a compact but advanced kitchen area allows chefs to prepare gourmet meals even while the motorhome is traveling. Stainless steel appliances, clever storage systems, and professional cooking equipment are integrated into the design without making the space feel crowded. Dining here would feel like sitting inside a luxury restaurant that just happens to be moving along the highway. Moving higher to the fourth floor, the atmosphere shifts into something much more peaceful and private. This level contains the master bedroom suite, designed as a quiet retreat away from the social areas below. At the center of the room sits a large king-size bed covered with soft premium bedding. The bed is positioned so that when passengers wake up in the morning, they are greeted by a breathtaking view through the curved panoramic windows. The design of this bedroom focuses on calmness and comfort. Soft ambient lighting surrounds the bed and ceiling, creating a relaxing glow during the evening hours. Built-in wardrobes and hidden storage compartments keep the room organized while maintaining a clean and minimal design. Wooden wall panels and textured fabrics add warmth to the interior, making the space feel more like a luxury hotel suite than a room inside a vehicle. Despite the motorhome's massive size, advanced suspension technology would keep the ride smooth enough to ensure a peaceful night's sleep. The fifth level is dedicated to relaxation and personal wellness. As you step onto this floor, the environment becomes quieter and more spa-like. A large marble bathtub is positioned beside floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing passengers to soak while looking out across the passing landscape. Imagine relaxing in warm water while watching a sunset over mountains or forests as the motorhome continues its journey. Next to the bathtub is a rainfall shower system that releases water from a wide ceiling panel, creating a gentle cascading effect similar to natural rainfall. Soft LED lighting glows through the walls and ceiling, and decorative plants add a natural touch to the design. Hidden speakers can play calming music, turning this entire floor into a private wellness retreat. After a long day of travel, this spa level offers the perfect place to unwind and recharge. Finally, reaching the very top of the motorhome reveals the most breathtaking level of all. The top floor serves as a panoramic observation deck designed to showcase the surrounding environment from the highest possible vantage point. A large glass dome covers the ceiling, allowing sunlight to pour into the space during the day and revealing the stars at night. Soft lounge sofas and small tables are arranged around the deck so passengers can sit comfortably while taking in the incredible 360-degree views. Decorative plants and modern lighting features add to the peaceful atmosphere. Whether the motorhome is traveling through mountain passes, coastal highways, or quiet countryside roads, this top level offers a spectacular view that no ordinary RV could provide. When you step back and think about the entire structure, the concept becomes even more impressive. Instead of designing a vehicle around limited horizontal space, this motorhome expands upward, stacking multiple luxury environments into one moving structure. Each floor has its own purpose and atmosphere, from social lounges and dining spaces to private relaxation areas and entertainment rooms. While such a vehicle would require advanced engineering to handle its height, weight, and stability, the concept itself demonstrates how far the idea of luxury travel could evolve in the future. Rather than simply being a place to sleep during road trips, a motorhome like this becomes a complete mobile lifestyle environment. For travelers who enjoy exploring the world without sacrificing comfort, a multi-level motorhome like this represents the ultimate dream. Instead of stopping at hotels along the journey, the hotel itself moves with you. Every level offers a new experience, every window reveals a different landscape, and every mile of road becomes part of the adventure. In many ways, this concept blurs the boundary between architecture and transportation. It combines the design of modern skyscrapers with the engineering of heavy-duty trucks, resulting in something that feels both futuristic and luxurious at the same time. Whether it remains a concept or eventually inspires real designs in the future, it shows just how imaginative the world of luxury travel can become when designers think beyond traditional limits. A journey inside a motorhome like this would not simply be about reaching a destination. The journey itself would become the destination. Passengers could move from floor to floor experiencing different environments while the world slowly moves past the windows outside. It transforms ordinary travel into something extraordinary, a moving luxury tower exploring the open road.